Good morning, students. Today our topic is the beats. What is the definition of the beats? The phenomena of a rise and fall of sound due to interference of two sound waves of slightly difference in frequencies traveling in the same direction is called beats. Here two sound waves are traveling in same direction, but there is a slightly difference in frequency. When they will be interfere, we are getting the maxima and minima. So this phenomena is called as the beats. So in a diagram for this, so you can observe upper part of diagram, two sound waves are traveling here. So here this red color indicates the one source sound wave, and it is the another sound wave. These two will be interfere, then we are getting the pattern will be like this manner. So here they will be traveling in same, these two are having same amplitude, but slightly difference in change in frequency, when they will be interfere, we are getting the pattern will be like this. So here we are getting the maximum. Means because of crust, one wave crust, another wave crust also superimposed. Gradually here the crust and crust, but here they will be slightly move, one is forward and another will be backward. Again here completely one crust, another wave trough. So like that, crust to crust here imposed. After some time crust is another wave trough. Again crust and crust and crust and trough, like that. So due to this type of interference and due to this part we are getting the maxima, and again this part, due to this part we are getting the minima, again due to this part we are getting the maxima, and due to this part we are getting the minima. According to the definition of the beats, so when these two sound waves are traveling in same direction with the same amplitude but slightly change in difference, then they will be interfere, we are getting the pattern of maxima and minima. Then this one is called as the beats. So for this I will explain by using mathematics. So here the two sound waves, I will take the two sound waves displacements. S1 is equal to here a cos omega 1 t, and S2 equal to a cos omega 2 t. These are the two sound waves. When these two will be interfere means then the resultant value, according to the definition of the superposition principle, S equal to S1 plus S2. That means the algebraic sum of the individual displacements gives the resultant displacement. The resultant displacement is equal to the sum of the individual displacements. So then in that, what is the common term? A is common. Then cos omega 1 t plus cos omega 2 t. Cos A plus cos B means cos A minus B by 2 to cos A minus B by 2 cos A plus B by 2. So it is the A, it is the B, you have to take cos A minus B, omega 1 t minus omega 2 t. What is the common in that? T is common, that's why I will take an outside and here too. So you can clear to observe this value. This one 2A cos omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 by t gives the amplitude, and cos omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 gives the value. If suppose here you can take the best example, omega 1 is equal to, if suppose 512, omega 1 2 is equal to 500, if suppose, then omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 means what is the value we are getting? Around 2 by 2, that means 1 Hz. Omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 means what is the value we are getting? Around 511 Hz. If suppose omega 1 minus omega 2 is equal to 0 means this term goes to 0. Automatically, if suppose these two are having same frequency means automatically this term goes to 1. Cos 0 1. Why? Because omega 1 minus omega t, if suppose these two will be equal, then the resultant value will becomes cos 0. This value is equal to 0. Cos 0 means 1. So we are getting the maximum amplitude. So automatically, if suppose these two are having the same frequency, means we are getting the maximum displacement, only maximum. We are not getting the minimum value. This minimum will be occurred here. If suppose the difference will be increases 0. If suppose cos function will be vary from cos 0 means 1, cos 90 0. That means 0 to you have to increases means automatically this value will be decreases. So 1 to this term goes to 0. That means if it is multiplied, 2a is multiplied with 1, and next time 2a is multiplied with half means automatically the amplitude will become half, and 2a turns to 0 means totally the amplitude is equal to 0. That means this amplitude is completely depends upon the omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2. So that's why these beats are depends upon the omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2. Here omega is equal to 2 pi nu. In terms of frequency, what is the beat frequency here? Delta nu is equal to nu 1 minus nu 2 gives the beat frequency. Nu 1 minus nu 2 gives the here beat frequency. What is the beat frequency means? The difference in the frequency. Here for that I will take the omega b. This omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 is taken as the omega b, and omega a is taken as omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2. So what is the omega b and omega a? How they will be related? So here omega a and omega b. What is the omega a? Omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2. Nearly we are getting the value around the value near to the omega 1 or omega 2 in between. But omega b value very less value. That means omega b is very much less than omega a. Omega b is very much less than omega a. And here this amplitude is completely depends upon this omega b. And here what is the beat frequency is here? Nu 1 minus nu 2 is the beat frequency. If suppose two frequencies are given, then what is the beat frequency means? Nu 1 minus nu 2. So what are the uses of these beats? To tune of musical instruments. So first of all, they are playing before they will correct their instruments. So it is properly the strings in that instrument, they are properly tighted or not, they will be checked before they are playing. So that is called as here tuning. We are tune means we can setting the musical instruments by using beats. And to detecting the dangerous gases in mines, and to produce the special effects in cinematography. So manaku cinema theaters lo gaani, cinemas lo gaani sounds effects create cheyalante because of these beats. And to determine the unknown frequency also is possible by using these beats. For the one example problem, so clear to read this question. First of all, two sitar strings A and B playing the note da and da are slightly out of tune and produce beats of frequency 5 Hz. The tension of the string B is slightly increases. First of all, what is the beat frequency is given? Nu 1 minus nu 2 is equal to 5 Hz. But nu 1 minus nu 2 or nu 2 minus nu 1, there is a possibility of two chances. That what is that given? 5 Hz. In that the tension of the string B is slightly increases and the beat frequency is found to decrease to 3 Hz. 5 Hz ఉన్నది కాస్త 3 Hz కి డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. టెన్షన్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంటే B. What is the original frequency of the B if the frequency of A is 427 Hz? So it is the question. I will explain the answer. So nu A minus nu B is equal to 5 Hz is given. So or nu b minus nu a is equal to 5 hedges. There are the two chances will be that. So nu a is given 427 minus nu b is equal to 5 hedges. Possible. And nu a is given 427. Nu b you don't know. You have to determine the 5 hedges. Here what they will be mentioned? Tension of the B is increases. Tension you have to increases means automatically frequency increases. So you have to increase the tension, automatically frequency increases. So if suppose for this case you have to increase the nu b. Tension increases means nu b increases. సో న్యూ బీ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందంటే ఆటోమేటికల్గా దీని యొక్క రిజల్టెంట్ వల్ల బీట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఏమవుతుందమ్మా ఇక్కడ డిక్రీజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎందుకు ఈ వాల్యూ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ఈ వాల్యూ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ ఈ కేసులో చూసుకుంటే న్యూ బీ మైనస్ ఈ వాల్యూ అని తీసుకుంటే న్యూ బీ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే ఆటోమేటికల్గా ఈ వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. వై? బికాజ్ దిస్ వాల్యూ విల్ బీ కాన్స్టెంట్. ఇఫ్ సపోజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ nu b minus 427, if suppose this value how much 432, if suppose 433 means automatically 6 edges. So this value increases means this value increases. So which possibility is correct is here? This possibility is correct. Why? Because tension of the B sitar is increases, automatically beat frequency decreases. You have to increase the tension means frequency increases, beat frequency decreases. Tension is increases means beat frequency is decreases. When it is condition is correct, nu a is greater than nu b. So based on this 427 minus how much we are getting the 5 hedges? Only 422. So nu b is equal to 422 hedges. So you have to remember once clear ga అయిపోయినాక అది క్లియర్గా క్వశ్చన్ చదవండి, తర్వాతకి ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. క్లియర్గా చదవండి అమ్మా. ఓకేనా? బాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్.